All right, so this one, when I've put it together, I made a new diagram. I've used the same diagrams over and over for this problem, but I want it to be different. So let's make sure we know where the angles are. ABD, so ABD is right there. EDC, EDC is right there. BCD is right there. And CDB is right there. So there's my angle. Now, I have exterior angles, but I've got two of them. All right, I've got the yellow exterior angle, and I've got the green exterior angle. So the rule is exterior angle equals sum remote interior angles. All right, that's the rule that I'm supposed to know to be able to do any of these questions. Exterior angle equals sum remote interior. Remember, remote interior means inside and away from. All right, inside and away from. So if I look at this yellow exterior angle, that's inside and away from, and so is that. If I look at the green one, this blue one is remote interior, but then it would be this one right here that I don't know. All right, so that means I'm not going to use this exterior angle in this problem. All right, not necessarily in the problem, but in the equation, I'm not going to use it. So what I need to be able to do is I need to be able to go through and set up an equation. But I had to make sure I could tell that it was the yellow one that I wanted to use. So yellow equals blue plus orange. Okay, and I'm going to make my equation. Again, I haven't even looked at what the question's asking me, but I know for a fact that when I come across one of these problems, I have to make an equation. I have to find x before I can solve any questions, no matter what. So I don't concern myself with what the question's asking me, because what that does to a lot of you is it gets you stressed out because you're like, I don't know how I'm going to find that, or you start looking at the algebra. We need x. All right, we have to know what x is equal to, or we can't find anything anyways. So again, just don't worry about that for a little bit. We'll deal with that in a minute. After we know what x is, we'll figure out what to do with it. Sorry. So yellow equals blue plus orange. And I'm going to solve this. Minus 9x. I get negative 11. X minus 25. 14 equals x. So now I know what x is. Now I'll deal with what the problem was. It says find and explain. Okay, the explain's already here. So if you want to, that's the explain right there. And then it wants DCB. DCB is the blue angle, DCB. So I plug that, what I just found, into the blue angle. I already forgot what x was, 14. So I plug 14 into the blue angle, which is 4 times 14 plus 4. That's 40 and 60 and 56 plus 4 is 60. The blue angle is going to end up being 60.